And welcome back, everybody. I'm Molt Money. Hope you all had a fantastic day out there. We had an absolutely amazing day today. We are going to share all with you today. If you do like XLM videos, though, click that like button below. Give us a big thumbs up. Of course, if you do like XLM content, you like talking about Stellar, join our community. It's absolutely free. Just click that subscribe button while you're down there. Come on into our community. So check it out, guys. We had a tremendous day in the market, but we have to go over some fine details with Stellar, because while we had a disastrous 2022 for crypto as a whole, the Stellar Development Foundation grew tremendously. We are talking about an intensely motivated organization that, while others in the crypto market have cut costs or flat out gone bankrupt, Stellar has actually been investing in the ecosystem, and we're talking about by the millions to outgrow and outpace all competitors. So yes, they are intensely motivated company, but they have one goal in mind. That is to bring utility to the world through blockchain tech. And what I am about to share with you, numbers wise, is remarkable. I am proud to stand behind a company that is not only growing at an alarming speed, but is also helping change the world. Let's get started. First, I want to start off by saying a few things market related. Of course, we'll start off with Danielle Dixon saying, another day, another opportunity to create real world value on Stellar. Effortlessly issue, mint, and burn assets with Stellar Assist Sandbox. Proud of the team for getting this off the ground. Here we go again. Just more good news for Stellar. Tokenized real world value on the network built for asset issuance. With Stellar, you can easily create, issue, and manage digital representations of fiat and real world assets. Tokenized values from CBDCs, stablecoins, securities, and more. Next, John Deaton. This is a significant example of why Monday's Library.com hearing was so important. The judge's summary judgment decision implied that all LBC sales violate Section 5. The judge stated that he will make clear that his decision does not apply to secondary sales and only libraries. So secondary sales, he is talking about you and I, ladies and gentlemen. He is talking about our investments in crypto. And he is saying that he will not apply that to secondary sales. Next, Kathy Wood, ARK Investment reaffirms 1 million Bitcoin prediction. Bitcoin will scale to a multi-trillion-dollar market. Now, take that for what it's worth. Many of you probably know who Kathy Wood is. She's a big stock market guru, dabbles in crypto obviously as well with Bitcoin and other few crypto assets. But she really got her claim to fame in the last bull run because she did pick some serious winners. She was all in on Tesla and a few others. Definitely made her name there. But again, the whole point is that we have big names in the industry, in the financial markets, pointing to the fact that Bitcoin will surpass what many people out there in the news are trying to portray. Bitcoin Magazine, breaking, Fed hike 25 basis points, lowest rate increase since March 2022. This did something significant to the market that I want to point out. Because oftentimes people get fooled by the market. And you can clearly see what happened when that announcement went live. Around 11:30 a.m., right? My time at least. Big dip, right? Market manipulation at its finest. However, after that, just after we had some good news as well, with Jerome Powell stating that, hey, we are looking to subside a little bit on these Fed rate hikes. We're looking to do 2 more and then possibly cut them completely. We can see that the market acted positively. We can see that basically every single crypto, we've got Polygon up over 11%. We've got Avalanche up over 10%, and many, many other cryptocurrencies in the green. Of course, XRP, XLM in the green. As soon as we see a little bit of foot off the gas in terms of these interest rates, we will see a bull run, in my personal opinion. I think this is what the heavy blanket on the market has been for a long time now. Of course, we have other macroeconomic conditions out there that are holding us back. But this is the big thing. This is the big problem we have with the market, and has been the problem all through 2022. But now, while we are talking about 2022, let's get into these stellar numbers, because they were just that, stellar. They were absolutely fantastic, and they just put out their quarter 4 review. And I want you to see these numbers and listen to these numbers for yourself, because they are just that. They are remarkable. I feel as though, in terms of news and in terms of growth, in terms of everything that has been happening with these bank coins and their ecosystems, has been like a bull run for utility. And we hear it right here.
So network growth over the course of the year, which was, a tough year for the industry that was marked by a significant market downturn and the advent of crypto winter. Network growth over the course of the year was actually quite remarkable. Last year, we celebrated that Stellar hit 1 billion operations in 2 quarters. This year, Stellar hit nearly 1 billion operations in 1 quarter alone. And there were a total of 3.6 billion operations over the course of the year. Total payments went from 125 million in 2021 to 345 million in 2022. So that's an increase overall of 176%. And we hit more than 7 million accounts on the network, another huge milestone. So this growth, it's proof that people are finding real world utility with Stellar, and they're gaining more access to financial inclusion across the globe. And that utility, it really sets Stellar apart from many other blockchain networks. And it's something we as an organization and as an ecosystem, we've always been focused on it. And it's something we'll continue to focus on. It's important to build useful things.
Now, 176% increase in a crypto winter, in a bear market. And this is why I say, when we take a look at the price of XLM, we take a look at the price of XLM right now, sitting at 9 cents, just over 9 cents. This is an absolute steal. This is a price that I will continuously buy. I will continuously dollar cost average as long as the market will allow it, because we have a market right now that is being heavily suppressed by inflation numbers that have really nothing to do with the progress of blockchain tech. We have a market right now that is heavily being weighted down by situations in the economy that have nothing to do with blockchain tech. But we have a situation right now in which the Stellar Development Foundation is growing rapidly. We are seeing what they are doing with Stellar 8 Assist, in which it will help individuals all over the globe. Over 100 million individuals worldwide have the ability to utilize this system, in which it will help give them that utility of being able to get their basic needs. And this is a company that is not only growing rapidly within their ecosystem, this is a company that I believe is going to make a lot of people a lot of money. And I'm going to be along for the ride. I hope you are as well. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but I can tell you right now, XLM is still at 9 cents in my personal opinion. I can tell you right now, with all certainty and factual data, they are growing. I can tell you right now that the facts show that this is a company that is growing, that is investing in a down market. And when this market turns, and it will turn, I think it will turn much faster than many think. This is a company that is going to dominate the industry and see gains unlike we've ever seen. That's all I got for you for now. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next one.